Hello, welcome to my video where I will teach you how to make this coding app on code.org. My name is Rakshit and let's get into the video. So first, let's test it out. So as you can see, there is a label right here with the showering duration and the liters right here. So let's say I click on this start button. Let's see what happens. Start. Okay, now you can see that this time has started and it's for every second it's showing how many liters are being used. And now I will click stop, and then all of this stops and just freezes. But then if I click start again, it restarts. So that's how the app really works. And now let's go to the design of the app. The design is very easy. There's a text box for showering duration and water used. There is a label minutes 0. There's a colon, and then we call this label the label seconds because you put in the seconds here. Because you put in the seconds over here and the minutes over here. So that's really the showering duration, and over here is the water used. So that tells how much water is being used, and it's in liters. So over here is the number of liters that will come here. Over here is a start button, and here is a stop button. So that's really the design of the app. So now let's get into the code of the app. So first, we made 3 variables. Display seconds, which is 0. Display minutes, which is also 0. And also the water used, which is 0. And then we got a click button so that when the start button is clicked, it will display seconds 0. Yeah, so it'll show the seconds, and then there's a time loop for 1 minute. I put 1,000, and then it keeps on going for 1,000 seconds. And then there's the display seconds variable that we made before. It's over here, and we put in a math tool right here, and it said display seconds plus 1. Over here is the water used. The water used plus 5 divided by 60. This is a division symbol, just to let you know. So now set text and label seconds, which is all the way over here. And then display the seconds, which we did the code for over here. And then display the minutes, so that this is the set text and label minutes, which we didn't do yet. So really it's nothing in there. And then set the text and label water used, which is all the way over here. And that's where we'll keep this block of code. And then we're really done with the seconds part, but now let's get into the minutes. In the time, we put a time loop for 60,000 because a minute has 60 seconds, and so we kept 1,000 and then times 60, and then we did display seconds, because if the display second is equal to display minutes plus 1, which is basically saying that when this goes to 60, change this to 0 and change this to 1. And we'll set the text to please save the water. And then we'll play a sound of alert, playful, quirky, yeah, we're gonna just put this sound. And then when the stop button is clicked, we will keep a timed loop. We'll stop the timed loop that we made up here. And then we will stop the sound of the 1 minute part. So that's really it for the whole project. I really hope you liked my project that I made. And so I'll see you later. Bye.